Merhaba. Hello, my name is Birsen. I'm a native Turkish teacher originally from Istanbul. I've been teaching Turkish since 2007. I love teaching Turkish and its culture. It's my passion. I have many students all around the world. I speak fluent English. I lived and worked many years in the United States. I speak Spanish as well. Currently, I'm living in Spain. Hablo español también. En la actualidad vivo en España. I teach Turkish for all levels and ages. My teaching method is customized for each student's needs. I provide all materials in PDF files, including audio files. We work from daily conversations, asking to my students related questions. This is the great way to build vocabulary. Additionally, I prepare homework and share Turkish music, movies. It's proven that with this way, my students learn faster in a fun way. If you would like to learn Turkish or improve your current Turkish level, I'll be glad to help you. Görüşmek, dileğiyle. Looking forward to hear from you. Espero vernos pronto. Hoşça kalın. Bye. Adiós.